Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. King of Wands, Star, Page of Wands, Hermit, King of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Hierophant, and the Page of Cups. Bottom of my deck, I have the Devil in reverse. Well, somebody wants to do the right thing here. Somebody wants to do the right thing here. They want to remove the toxicity from this connection. I have a King of Pentacles center of my spread. And right underneath this King of Pentacles is the Hierophant, which is the commitment card. So this could be a committed relationship. I don't know. I think this King of Wands maybe in the past was very busy or very, too obsessed with their own selves and their own life, and they looked away from this connection, which led to things not working out between the two of you. But now they have been thinking. They've gone into hermit mode. They've realized that they must take responsibility. I don't know. Somebody's even coming to apologize for maybe the way they behaved in the past. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Taurus. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person. A few more from here, Taurus, and then we begin your reading. Taurus and their person. Okay. So, Taurus, first card here says, you changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends. Then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. You are my muse. If you only knew how much you've inspired me. Darling, you are my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear to show you how much you inspired me. I always chose you every damn time and every damn day. You say you want me, but your actions don't match with the words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. Like I said, somebody could have been in their own world, chasing their own dreams and not paying attention to their partner in the past, which probably led the other person to feel that, how come I choose you and you're always busy doing your own thing? Maybe the other person felt their wishes were not coming true. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a family with me? I've always loved you and I always will. From the first moment I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were my eternal love. Did somebody take their partner for granted? I dream that I will wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. I know that I shouldn't compare you to others, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what's happened between us, you are still the one. I have an addiction. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you'll understand I need time. All right, Taurus, these were some of your messages. Let's start your reading. We're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. Somebody is wishing for a miracle. Somebody is wishing for a miracle, and they do want to bring some sweetness back into this connection, it seems, Taurus. This could be you, this could be your person who's now realizing that things are not working out, or things have, maybe you're blocking them or they are blocking you, I don't know what, but they are hoping to bring some sweetness back into this connection, hoping that, this whatever has gone wrong can be released now. This toxicity, this heavy burden that's come between the two of you, that can be dropped. All right, so King of Wands, say something to us. King of Wands. King of Wands says, I want to do the right thing now. I know I've broken my partner's heart because I was always busy. I was always chasing after my own dreams. I loved the attention my partner was giving me, but I forgot in the bargain that they needed some attention too. And yes, I did break their heart. I'm acknowledging that, and I do want to make it right once again. Star in reverse. What's the star in reverse, Spirit? Yes, they are feeling. They're feeling the burden of it. They're feeling, oh my God, what did I do? What did I do? A little bit of guilt has crept in, I think, in this king's heart to say, I didn't do right. I must do right, and I've, messed it all up. Page of Wands in reverse. Page of Wands in reverse. Why? Because now their partner is probably not talking to them. Whoever this King of Wands is, who is now recognizing that what they've done, now they're a little burdened because their partner may not be talking to them. Maybe they've been blocked off. Maybe they've been left in hermit mode for a little while to think about their, their past behavior. And now when they look into the future, they don't want this chapter to shut down. They absolutely don't want this ending to happen. They've given it a lot of thought. They've also kind of, I think, learnt a little bit since their partner walked away or has stopped communicating with them or has shut down. Now they're understanding, I don't want this person to leave. I understand that I probably took them for granted in the past, and they're feeling guilty about that. They don't want to look back at the past and always having that sadness of knowing that they ruined a beautiful connection. So according to them, this is beautiful, right? The other person may not believe that. So, King of Pentacles, Spirit, center of my spread, what do you want to say, Mr. Pentacle? King of Pentacles says, yes, emotionally, I was not open in the past. Yes, I was a little brash, a little rude. I never really brought any sweetness into this connection, but I want to get out of that now. I do want to progress and do something which is different. They're totally acknowledging not being sweet on their partner in the past. So, Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. They're recognizing that their own bad behavior maybe has led to this connection not working out. They are very stressed out. They do want to offer something which can now go back to equal give and take. They don't want to hide their feelings anymore. They want to open up and tell that person that, hey, I've made a choice. I'm no longer now divided. I'm no longer going to divide my attention anymore. I've chosen you. You are the one, and let's heal this connection. Let's heal this connection now. I want to have equal give and take, and I recognize, whatever was hidden in the dark has come to light now about some petty behavior maybe, which I did, right, in the past, this King of Pentacles is. And yes, they are worried. They are worried that they've been blocked off now. Nine of Wands, Spirit. Nine of Wands. This person definitely wants a second chance now. They want to work on this connection, and they want to come forward and apologize. Now I have two cards saying the same thing. Apologize, apologize, apologize. Give me one more chance. They are wanting a firm commitment now. If not already, if this is not a committed relationship already, now they want to commit. And if this is a committed relationship, they're recognizing what they've done and they do wish to apologize. They do love their person. There is a lot of love here. There is a lot of love here, which maybe they never showed in the past. Hierophant spirit. Hierophant. Yes, this person has difficulty in showing their emotion. They do see their person as the empress. They do see their person as the queen above all queens. But the stagnancy has happened because they were either closed off, or they didn't know how to express their emotions, or they may be emotionally manipulating this empress, thinking, hey, she's going to just keep giving, he, she, whoever. My partner's always going to be, because they're so kind, they're so generous, they're so loving. I don't really have to do anything. Now they're recognizing the mistake that they've made in this commitment. So, Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Somebody does want to apologize. Somebody does want to apologize for being selfish and self-centered in the past. I think they're recognizing. I think they're recognizing now that none of the other options or anything else they were focused on is as important as that one choice, which has probably stagnated at the moment. They're feeling very, very stuck without their muse. Like this card said, you are my muse. Knowing that the Empress is in their life fueled this person to go and chase after their other dreams. Now this Empress is kind of pulling back. They're realizing nothing else works. They're feeling very, very stuck. So what's this Devil in reverse, Spirit? As our overall energy? Yes, now this person is feeling, oh my God, what did I do? They want to put an end to all this sadness, and they are thinking on how to invest, what to invest. Very disappointed that, they never invested when the time was right, but this is on their mind. Four of Wands. They want that safety, security with their person. They don't want to lose their person, and they are thinking of bringing a bit of sweetness back into this connection, hoping and wishing for a miracle that things can get stable once again. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Of course, the Empress has free will to take them back or not, depends on the level of insult that's been given by this person. But this is from their perspective, that they are now recognizing this Empress's worth. All right, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.